Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to clear up some of the most confusing English words that even advanced learners often mix up. By the end of this short video, you'll understand the subtle differences and finally feel confident using them correctly. Let's get started. First, affect versus effect. Affect is usually a verb, meaning to influence something, while effect is a noun, referring to the result of that influence. Next, accept and accept. Accept means to agree or receive something, while accept is used to exclude someone or something. Then versus then relates to time. For example, I went to the store, then I went home, then is used for comparison. Like, I'm taller than my brother. Compliment and compliment are often confused. Compliment means praise, like she gave me a nice compliment, while compliment means something that completes or goes well with something else, such as the wine complements the meal. Finally, for this part, principle and principle. Principle is a rule or a fundamental truth, while principle refers to the most important person or thing, like the head of a school or the main reason. Now let's move on. There shows possession, as in their books. There refers to a place, like over there, and there is a contraction for they are. It shows possession, while it is short for it is lose and loose. Lose means to fail to keep or win something, while loose means not tight or free. Advise and advice. Advise is a verb meaning to give guidance, and advice is the noun, the guidance itself. Lastly, stationery and stationery. Stationery means not moving, and stationery refers to paper, pens, and office supplies. Mastering these differences will make your English sound precise and professional. Thank you for listening, and don't forget to practice these words daily.